BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned we want the price to drop with the breakout of this. Then from there, we can look for reversal for buy, because we mentioned we want to put these two relative to each other. That's why I mentioned let the price drop at least with the breakout of this. As we can see, what we're expecting happen, even there was an opportunity to look for sell with this correction if anyone take the sell. All right. Anyway, right now we're looking at this correction. We want to see what's the next and how we can look for next trade. In this case, we move to a higher time frame. We move to daily chart. All right. Based on daily chart, the only things we can discuss is we're looking for this correction. Still, we can expect a good price correct here, but any continuation, any trade setup for buy, we will take it. That's mean we're looking for continuation. And even if we move to forward chart, as we can see based on forward chart, if we put this one in relative to previous top, we can see we have a divergence. That's why we're expecting for the price to drop a bit more, right? And as I mentioned, we're looking for this flat right now. Any reversal from here, we will take the trade. But what we wanted the price to break the previous top. As we can see the price tag, but it couldn't break. But any reversal, we will take it with the breakout of this top. We have to start to manage. We want to see whether there is a continuation and the price can break the previous top or not. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart, but from now we can look for buy. And if we move to, I mean, when we talk about the buy, it's about the long term, all right? And if we move to 1 hour chart, even we can see we had a divergence based on 1 hour chart. That's why we were expecting the price to drop. That's why we were thinking to put these two in relative to each other for flat. Anyway, from now, any reversal, if we get for trade setup for buy, we will take it. The only thing is when we refer to this one, we see we get the sharp move. Now we want to see the prices start to correct. Still, we can expect this one to give us a correction for one more drop. But for long term, this one, any sell will be a short term trade. And right now, we are not looking for sell. The only times we can look for sell if this one turns to a deeper correction, can give us a better confirmation for next down move. But from now, either the price reverse from here, or even we get the correction here for one more drop, any reversal, we will look for buy. Mostly we're looking for buy. Okay, as I mentioned, the sell will be a short-term trade. But anyway, for buy, we need to get the reversal with the flag. We have to look for the reversal. In this case, right now, we don't have any trade setup and looking for this. As I mentioned, the only times we can look for sell if this one turns to a TP correction, and the short sell will be short term. Mostly we're looking for reversal as a sharp move flag, either after we get the one more drop or price reverse from here. Okay, and right now we cannot look for sell. Even if see we have here, we had the correct sharp move down, the price start drop. It dropped as what we expected, but it didn't break the previous low. Whatever happened here, it can repeat here. Okay, that's why we are more interested for the reversal. We're looking for buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart and we look for here. We don't have any trade setup right now. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.